how to fix post getting removed in Reddit. So if you want to fix your post getting removed in Reddit, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, make sure that you've updated your application. Once done, you need to open up your Reddit and make sure that you've logged into your account. So you need to check your notifications for explanations. Sticks to Reddit's content policy. You'll need to avoid issues like hate speech, harassment, or spam, which can result in removing by admins. If you're still not sure why your post was removed, then you can go to the page where your post was made. After that, on the left-hand side, you'll see a message mod option. You can just simply tap on it, and you can ask your moderator why your post was removed. You'll need to give a title and put in the message asking why it was removed, and your moderator will give you an explanation. Another thing you need to be aware of is that your account may be shadow banned. So check if your account was shadow banned, go to your profile, which will be on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then see if there is any way that you can find out if you're shadow banned. Or you can even ask your friend if they can find your profile or not. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.